Hello everyone, I am El Vishnu Naik. I am here to give a presentation on decoders and encoders. What is a decoder? Definition. A decoder is a digital circuit that converts coded information from a smaller number of input lines to a larger number of output lines. It takes an n-bit binary input and activates one of the 2 power n output lines. Purpose of decoders. Decoders are used to select a specific output based on the given input, allowing for the efficient control and selection of devices or components in a digital circuit. Applications of decoders. Decoders find widespread uses in computer memory, display drivers, data multiplexing, and control system, enabling efficient data management and device control. How does a decoder works? Input decoding. The decoder receives an n-bit binary input which is used to select one of the 2 power n output line by activating the corresponding line while keeping the others disactivated. Versatility. Decoders can be designed with a varying number of input and output lines, allowing for flexibility in accommodating different system requirements and data processing needs. Output activation. The activated output lines can be used to control or select a specific device or components in the digital system, enabling precise control and data management. Examples of decoder circuit. Circuit diagram. A common example of decoder circuit is a 3 to 8 line decoder. It takes a 3-bit binary input and activates one of the 8 output lines, 2 power 3 equal to 8, based on the input combinations. Logical gates. Logic gates. The 3 to 8 line decoder is typically built using a combination of AND gate and an inverter. The input bit are connected to AND gate, which then activates the corresponding output lines. Applications of decoder circuit. This type of decoder circuit is commonly used in memory address decoders, display drivers, and control system, where the ability to select a specific output based on an input coding is crucial for efficient data management and device control. What is an encoder? An encoder is a digital circuit that performs the opposite function of a decoder. It converts a large number of input lines into a smaller number of output lines, typically in the form of a binary code. Purpose of encoder. Encoders are used to convert a set of input signals into a unique binary code, which can be then used for data processing, storage, or transmission in a data system. Applications of encoders. Encoders are widely used in computer keyboards, digital cameras, and other digital input devices, where they translate user input into a machine readable format for further processing. How does an encoder works? Input activation. When one of the input line in a encoder circuit is activated, the encoder generates a unique binary output code that represents the selected input. Binary conversion. The encoder circuit uses a combination of logic gates such as AND and OR gates to convert the activated input lines into a corresponding binary output line. Output generation. The binary output code generated by the encoders can be used for data processing, storage, or transmission, allowing for efficient handling and representation of the information. Example of an encoder circuit diagram. A common example of encoder circuit is a 3 to 8 to 3 line encoder. It takes 8 input lines and generates a 3-bit binary output code that correspondent to the activated input lines. Logic gates. The 823 line encoder is typically built using a combination of 8 AND gates and OR gates. The input lines are connected to AND gates, which then feed into the OR gates to produce the binary output code. Applications of encoders. This type of encoder is commonly used in computer keyboards where each key press is converted into a unique binary code that can be recognized and processed by the computer input system. Applications of encoders and decoders. Memory address decoding, input device encoding, control system. Conclusion: decoders and encoders are efficiently components in the foundation of computer design, serving as the building block for a various digital circuits and enabling efficient data processing, controls, and communications. By understanding the concept of working of these circuits, computer designers can develop more robust and versatile systems that can be handle complex data and input-output requirements. As technology continues to evolve, the importance of decoders and encoders in computer design will only grow, making them a critical area of study for everyone interested in the field of computer engineering and design. Thank you.